Jet 20-inch floor drill press allows you to quickly and easily drill through a piece of metal. In this example, we'll be using a piece of aluminum block. Once you have your workpiece firmly bolted to the drill press base, be sure that the chuck guard is flipped down and check the RPM spindle speed label to set the correct belt position before you begin drilling. The belt offers a simple way to adjust your drill speed, giving you greater flexibility when using your floor drill press for a wide range of projects. Once you have your belts at your desired speed, use the downfeed handle to press the drill bit into the material without pushing too hard. Allow the bit and drill to do the work for you. Be sure to back it out partway to help clear any debris from the hole you're drilling. If you find too much debris is building up around your bit, you may need to slow down your RPMs using the belts on top of the drill head. You should look to make chips with your drilling instead of shavings. Learn more about the Jet 20-inch floor drill press on our website, and don't forget that your drill press comes with our Red Assurance Guarantee. If you need any service or repair, one of our 750 authorized service centers located in all 50 states can assist you. Contact our support team today to find a service center near you.